Hey guys. Hey, happy September the 13th. How you guys doing? Today is a great day. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Guess what? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Yeah guys, so today is September the 13th and it's about, I'm gonna say 5 o'clock now, but I actually just got home maybe like 25 minutes ago, did a couple of things around here. And I came back to put on some smell goods because this morning I knew for lunch I was not gonna go. I knew I was gonna go for my lunch break for a walk, and I had to remember because y'all, it's 79 degrees here. It was actually warmer earlier, so it probably was like 82, so it was warm. So I remembered, like, don't be spraying on none of that perfume because the bees gonna be after you. So I did come home and spray on something, wipe myself down or whatever. But I did put on my Egyptian musk today with the Izzy Miyake mixed together. I put that on. And if you're curious, this is outfit of the day for now. I changed my pants, so I have on my vintage blue jeans. And I have not worn these in a very long time, guys. These are naturalizer, like little wedge heels. They're super, super duper cute. But the thing is, y'all see that little, it's like a 4-inch heel. Not that bad, right? But these are the jeans. You guys seen me wear these before. And I just have on this little V-neck t-shirt and my hat. And I have my hair in my... actually washed my hair last night. So it's basically just slicked back in a little ponytail. So yeah, but I'm going to go and visit my mother. I hope you guys enjoyed that last video I put up because you guys asked for that. So I said I will make sure. In a couple of videos back, I think I asked y'all what kind of videos did y'all want me to give y'all. So you guys told me that. So I said, that's cool. Let me go ahead and lock these doors though. I did have the doors open to bring in a little bit of that fresh air, and then also put some light on my baby here because y'all, what's going on with her? What is going on? But anyway, I will see you guys when I get in the car. I do have a haul for y'all. Not nothing big. I think I bought like 5 things. And the only reason why I did not vlog the tour of us doing that is because it was very at a spare of a moment. Somebody called me and said, do you want to go? And I'm like, I don't know. Then I say, okay. So I'll show you guys when I get back what I got. So hold the line, please. Alright y'all, I got a challenge for y'all. This is a challenge for everybody who's trying to get a little further in life, trying to succeed, trying to save some money. This challenge is for me as well. I'm going to be doing a challenge on, and I want you guys to join me. I know I always say, I don't want to buy nothing else, and I have been doing good because I think I haven't really showed y'all that many hauls because I really have not been doing anything major. So long story short, I just know for me in my home, I do have most of the things that I need. And if it's other things that I need, we're not talking about food or nothing like that. Let's just all take this stand to like only buy what we need, y'all, and don't buy anything other than like food, tissue, sorry guys, things like that, so we just won't be spending a lot of money. I just want to take that pledge because I feel like in doing so, you will be blessed behind it. Anytime you say I'm gonna do something and you really stand behind what you're gonna do, there is really a blessing behind it. So with that, I'm not gonna be probably doing any more hauls or showing y'all anything. I'll probably just be other things. I'm just taking that stand, and I would like for y'all in the comments, let me know if y'all would take that stand with me so we can have a better impact on this world, because I think we're doing a lot of spending, and then it's really not helping us grow. At the same time, we should not be spending right now at this moment, I don't believe, because everybody's facing a tough time. Now, if you have to bless others, we understand, go out and bless others. If somebody needs a few dollars, a bill paid, or, because people are struggling, then do that. But other than that, take that stand, take that pledge with me. not to be shopping for stuff that you don't need, and just save that money, y'all. I think it's just so important, and that's just something that I'm doing right now. So like I said, join me in the comments, let me know, smiley face, thumbs up, like the video or whatever. So like I said, I'm on my way to my mom's house. Y'all see my baby right here, one of them. This is actually, my daughter gave me this. I'm gonna give it back to her because, like I said, my things, y'all, that's what I'm talking about. Even though it's a plant, I mean, I got babies growing, so she's gonna love it anyway. I told her I was gonna give it back to her. She was really happy, and then it's in a beautiful pot anyway, so she didn't have no pot, so I'm giving her a beautiful pot. So yeah, guys, I will see y'all. I'll probably let y'all see my mom, and I'll see you guys later, okay? Mom. She looks so cute, don't she? Wanna say hi?
Hello. Hi.
Yeah. So yeah, y'all, just over here for a minute. Yeah, I shared some of my, remember the turmeric that I got from the Indian store? I shared some with my mom. And what did you say mine was? She said it was too.
It's hot. It's real. It's hot and potent. It's potent.
She said it was so strong, it took her away for a minute. So yeah, over here with her, like I said, and I will see y'all when I go back home, I guess. Okay. Look who stepped in the house. Look who stepped in the house. I've been getting on her about doing the video, y'all. Let her know to do a video.
And stuff?
Look, y'all. Look, y'all. Do it again, so no, Mom. She did that, Mama. What you say? Oh my God.
No, it's some game.
Real life. Yeah, she had trying to clean out her refrigerator, and she was gonna give us some stuff. So yeah, they're going through the bags. All right, y'all, I'm out. Okay. I forgot to mention to y'all. Look, Dollar Tree got these for $1. Y'all, they had a whole 6-pack. And you can tell somebody took some out, and they selling them separately like this for $1, which is wrong because I would actually buy the whole 6-pack for, like, when it was on sale, $2.75 the highest it would be. So what's she doing behind me? She's throwing up signs or something, y'all. But I'm gonna go through her little thing she bought over here and grab me some stuff. What you got I can take? What you got I can get, huh? Broccoli? Y'all, just found out about broccoli. Do your research on broccoli and cauliflower and collard greens. Genetically modified. Ain't that something? Can't eat no greens? We can't eat no greens. How you feel about we can't eat no greens, girl?
I'm gonna still eat me some collard greens with some neck bones and yams and mac and cheese and fried chicken, pork chops.
Oh my God, no.
Steak. No,
She real fried, y'all. All right, guys, we are back to the video. So it is like, it's evening time anyway, but I want to show you guys these things before I get ready to eat my dinner, and probably in the evening with a evening, that's how I know I'm tired, with the evening walk around my neighborhood. I like to watch when the sun goes down, so hope you guys do that sometime. It's very invigorating. But anyway, I'm just gonna go. I have 4 items I'm gonna show you really quick. I hope you guys enjoy, because like I said, I will not be buying any more things for this home. I'm really basically done, like really. So the first thing I'm going to show you is something I've been wanting, and I did have one before, and actually it's outside, but what I'm going to do, I'm probably either going to sell it or just gift it to somebody, because I've always wanted a big one. And the one that I do have outside, I really don't have to have that. But anyway, guys, the first thing I bought was this. Do y'all see how big this is? This is a lantern. This is a big lantern. So go on, it is by Threshold. So go on to Target and you will find out how much it is, because I didn't even check yet to see how much it is. But I absolutely love it. It has where I can open and close it. You guys remember that big old candle, the 3-wick candle that I bought for like $2? I'm going to be placing it in here, and it's going to be sitting in here somewhere. So I'll show you another video where I actually put this. The only downfall to this, I do love that it opens in the front, but I never really want to open in the front. So you guys see the back of this? The back of this is cracked a little bit at the top. So I can actually get this knocked out and pulled out, and I can insert my candle through the back, which I would really like to do. So if it doesn't bother me that much, this was $5 if you're wanting to. $5. But I'm just letting you know, If it does not work for me, then I be inserting it from the front or whatever, then I will keep it as is. So this is the first item that I got, and like I said, it was $5. You guys know I was searching for another 100% cotton grommet creamish white curtain to put in the dining room area, because remember I had on the one side where the couch is, there's 3 in that window, and towards the dining room there's only 2. So guys, I found another one. Okay, I found another one, and it is the right size. This was $5 as well. And then the reason why I'm not going to that place anymore, y'all, they went from $10 on Fridays to $13, I think she said, but when we went it was $5. But I'm like, oh my God, and they raised their prices. She said they mentioned because of taxes. I pay taxes and I sell stuff. I just take advantage of us, y'all. Like I said, this is a weak moment in our lives and in the whole world, and you take advantage of it, people. So, okay, whatever. And I was looking for another rug for the bathroom, and I told you I wanted something with print in it, guys, and I found it. This is by Threshold, and it's Good Weaver. I don't know who that is, Good Weaver, but it basically just tells you about the actual material. And this is the print of it on the one side. So pretty. And it's kind of large, if you can see. So I got my I got my rug. So that was the third item. And then last but not least, guys, I got this. This is by Threshold, but it doesn't have like the name of the fragrance on it, but it's like a smoky glass with a stainless steel top, which y'all know she probably could put some perfume in the bottle when it's over, right? Or she can make her own diffuser. But this smells so good. So I got this, and this was $2. It smells like a warm tobacco, amber-like fragrance. So it came with the sticks. So I will be placing this probably in here somewhere, maybe. Here, I don't know, here somewhere. I will be placing it in here somewhere. Yeah, so that is all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. And guys, this is the last haul. So guess what? I'm going to get ready to eat my dinner. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. And guys, thumbs up the video, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.